In this video, I'm going to be sharing a strategy I use in growing $27 to $239. It's going to be very simple. I want you to watch step by step on how I executed this trade, and you can also backtest it on your live account or your demo account. All right, without saying much, let's quickly dive into the real thing after this short break. I grew this account using M pattern, or some people call it M formation. I traded volatility 51st series. I spotted an M formation on 4 hours time frame, so I slowly came down to the 5-minute time frame, and I also saw the same M pattern or M formation on 5-minute time frame. After doing my top-down analysis, I spotted the remaining hand for the M formation. I used 0.10 because of the account was a small account, and volatility 51st series is an aggressive pair. It's a highly volatile pair. So since it was an A+ setup, because I've been waiting for this setup to play out, so this 0.10 sat comfortably on this account. So for you to get an accurate M formation, you need to ensure that you spot it on the highest time frame, which is the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame, and then you need to wait patiently until such pattern forms on a smaller time frame, and then that is where you will enter your trade. Originally, on M formation, you have to wait until it forms the neckline before you initiate a trade, but I invented my own rules on the M pattern. Now, why I did so is because if I have to wait for the neckline to form on a smaller account, after the neckline, what usually happens is a consolidation, and then sometimes it doesn't go your way. Sometimes it will clear your account first before going in your direction. So if I even had my way to even enter earlier, I would have even entered at the week, which is the best way. So with entering at the week, we withstand all kinds of manipulations in the market. Remember, you are trading synthetic indices. There must always be a manipulation. So for you to successfully boost accounts like this, there are a few rules you need to follow. The first rules you need to follow is wait for an A+ setup. When you wait for an A+ setup, no matter the positions you enter, even if I had to duplicate these positions to 4, as long as my free margin is okay, it will still carry the trade, because once I initiated the trade moved in my favor immediately without consolidating, without rejection. So second rules is you must try as much as possible to enter on time. So if you can enter from the week, fine. Don't wait for the neckline to form before entering this kind of trade. The third rules is make sure you backtest your lot size carefully before using the lot size on your small account, because if there's a lot size you will enter before the trade will even move, it will wipe the entire account first. The fourth rules is target a short pips, maybe like 50-60 pips, then you close your trade. Don't hold for too long. With these rules, you can successfully boost your account. Without wasting much of your time, let me fast forward this video to the part where the accounts turn into $239 because I want to explain something at that point. So at this point, the account has done more than 300%. So you have to take your TP1. Yeah, you have to take your TP1. And where you need to take your TP1 is the nearest support. That is where you will take your TP1, because that nearest support, that is where many traders will be entering their trade, because that is where we call the neckline. So the neckline you already enter your trade earlier. So after that neckline, that is where markets will start consolidating. So you need to take out your trade. So if actually you must hold this trade there, you need to break even. You need to move your stop loss to entry. But for me, I won't advise you to keep holding at this point, because your account has done more than 300%. So just close your trade and then close out your profit, and then look for another A plus setup in the market and enter. So literally this strategy can work on any account size, ranging from, you can boost $1 to $50. Yes, you can also boost $100 to $1,000. You can boost $40 to $700. Yes, all you just need to do is just understand your lot size, timing, proper timing, understand your lot size, and look for a plus setup, a setup that will give you a lower risk, and at the end you will have a higher risk reward ratio. All right guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the other video. Bye.